for many of our great elite athletes. This is where it all began. The CAC Age Group Championships. This year's championships will be held in beautiful Caracas. Get ready for the Bahamas CAC Age Group Championship Trials, March 31st through June 1st at the old Thomas A. Robinson Stadium. Come see some of our top age group athletes compete to earn a spot on the 2013 Bahamas team, who will be this year's Elite Eight. Witness it for yourself, May 31st to June 1st at the old Thomas A. Robinson Stadium. And Bahamas Athletics will be there to bring you all the action as it happens. Interviews, photos, results, and more. Bahamas Athletics. Fast Track News, #1 in the field.